want to just do that so bad.
Don't do it. They'll knock us all off the boat.
Welcome to TKT Outdoors. We're fishing in Edgemondson Lagoon with Cold Caught, and TKT ran with the cat. What up? We'll get you back whenever we start catching some friggin' sharks.
Who's our special guest?
We don't care about that.
What about this one?
That's it.
That's good. This isn't an expensive camera or anything.
I can turn as red as his damn shorts and not be.
What are we doing, son?
Huh?
What's going on with TKT?
We're fishing.
Finn, you feel like you got it, buddy? Yeah, don't let it go too fast. Oh yeah, that's Adeline right there for you. Of course, Adeline's doing great. Come on now. You got it fixed.
Fish got 2 on, then I got another one.
Yeah, we gotta. We want to see it.
All
right, hold on, Lucy. Don't look.
Get the full shot.
There you go. There you go. Alright, hold on, Finn. Hold on. Wait.
What?
Let it.
Just going by the baskets. Girls are out fishing y'all.
You got it, Adeline.
I got a big one.
Oh, Finn, be careful, buddy.
Not hard for a little.
That hard for that little guy.
I literally smelled one.
There you go, Finn. You got some.
Kobe caught it very fast.
Whoa!
Okay. I'm getting picked off. I'm tired of catching these bait fish.
I'm tired of you catching them too.
Sec, buddy. Yeah.
Gummy worm on the top.
Gummy worm on top.
So if I,
You got some fish, boy?
I got a bite right now, so you can watch freaking master.
Oh, yeah. There's little, it'll be a lot smaller than you think it is when you find the hard ones.
There you go, bud.
How much like someone on?
Oh, yeah. Nice. Oh, look out.
Look at that sucker. Coleman Cottonham.
What'd he get?
Caught that. He's massive.
Are you filming it?
Yeah, I'm filming.
So you don't want to grab it?
Coleman,
put your fingers in its mouth.
What do you have to say? We're keeping these in mountains. Sausage. Hey, season?
Huh? Yeah.
They come in season on June 1st.
Oh, that's next week then. Cold cut. What do you have to say? There was one person you could give all the thanks to, besides Jesus. To.
You son.
I would have given it today.
Hey, what's up, TKT?
We're done with these, y'all. And these last 2 fish right here will be it for these.
Alrighty. In the lagoon, we got a lot of fish.
This is definitely not a lagoon.
No, this is Edgemondson Lagoon. I watch now.
No, this is the ocean.
Maybe the Edgemondson Lagoon. It was created by Father Dane. It has borne many fish, and it's very nice.
How many fish have we caught so far?
Like,
So you think I'm gonna have a hard time finding a comfortable spot?
P-Cat.
Do I? Oh yeah, yeah.
How many fish have we caught so far?
63.
63 fish.
I said 75.
And Finn caught 60 of them.
Yeah, he did.
There you go. Let's get it on the video. We gotta get video proof of this, alright? Going with the gummy worm on the hook.
Gummy worm on the hook. If we catch a fish with a gummy worm, y'all got a new bait option.
Oh, you gotta take all the
Might be a
other
little
ones
cheaper
out.
even.
This Dane is so sweet that he let us.
There you go.
All right, Lulu, dropping her bait.
There you go.
Have you been enlightened of Dane Booth? Have you been enlightened by Dane Booth? You have to be enlightened.
Oh, Finn!
Yeah, buddy, good job.
Hey, nice.
Triggerfish.
Triggerfish.
Alright. They call it a triggerfish fish right here. You can't pull that down. Try and pull that fish. Try and pull it down. So you can't push it down. Now pull that one back. And it'll pull it back. That's how they get the knife.
Nice. We don't keep those though.
They're undersized. They gotta be 15 inches.
Oh, I gotcha.
15 inches to 4 foot tail.
Have you caught anything yet, Lou? With your
Gummy worm?
gummy worm? You got something, Adeline?
I think so. Sometimes I think I have something and I don't do anything else.
Yeah. I think you got something. Nope.
Pretty disappointing.
I thought you did though. Your gummy worm's gone,
gummy
so
worm's
something
gone.
took it.
Everything's gone.
Something took it.
Am I looking red and toasty?
It's not terrible, but I mean, yeah, you're red, but up a bit.
Here's the toilet.
A little bumpy. Show me what you're wanting to show me.
We had a great excursion out here on TKT Outdoors. We're excited to enjoy what Dane created for us because he actually hand dug this whole lagoon for the Edgemondsons. I'm real excited for him. We got a lot of fish, probably about like, how many would you say? Six fish in total?
Yeah, I mean, we only caught 6 fish.
maybe-
Maybe 4 fish. Hold on. We'll count. So, got about like 1, about 2 right there, about 3. So I think we got 3 boys.
3, okay, yeah.
Yeah, we got about 3. Well, that's our boy Owen over there. Owen, say what's up. Yeah, that's our dog. And yeah, it was a great.
I
just want to thank Dane and Sardingas for everything that they do for TKT.
Indeed.
The outdoors is a beautiful place, and I just couldn't be more thankful for Dane and what he
yes.
does for us by
Dane's
helping
special.
create this wonderful experience that we get to indulge on.
Indeed.
Well, since I'm the guest, me and Coleman, we're gonna sign it out about right here. Thank
Timmy.
y'all. Y'all have a good day. Y'all like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Bye. Say bye and subscribe.
Bye and subscribe.